Hey there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to choose the best crypto exchange for trading. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to pick the right one. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the key factors to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. First and foremost, security should be your top priority. You want to make sure that the exchange you choose has top-notch security measures in place to protect your funds. Look for exchanges that offer two-factor authentication and cold storage options. Next, you should consider the variety of coins available for trading on the exchange. Some exchanges have a limited selection of coins, while others offer a wide range. If you have a particular coin in mind that you want to trade, make sure that the exchange you choose supports it. Another important factor to consider is the fees charged by the exchange. Most exchanges charge a percentage of the trade amount as a fee, and this can vary widely between exchanges. Make sure you understand the fee structure before choosing an exchange. Ease of use is also important. Look for exchanges that have an intuitive user interface and easy-to-use trading tools. You don't want to spend a lot of time figuring out how to use the exchange. Finally, you should consider the reputation of the exchange. Look for reviews and feedback from other traders to see what their experience has been like. You can also check if the exchange is licensed and regulated, which can give you some peace of mind. So, those are the key factors to consider when choosing the best crypto exchange for trading. Keep security, variety of coins, fees, ease of use, and reputation in mind when making your choice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more great content. Thanks for watching.